Hi, this is Matthew Paulson with MarketBeat.com. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to RatingsDB, our web-based stock research tool that provides exclusive access to our database of hundreds of thousands of stock ratings. With RatingsDB, you can identify which brokerages issue the most reliable recommendations. You can perform advanced scans to find ratings and recommendations that meet criteria that you specify, and you can keep track of new ratings as they're reported throughout the day. Let's dive in. This is the RatingsDB search page, in which you can search a database of more than 250,000 stock ratings. You can find ratings that meet any criteria that you specify. You can search by analyst, by company, by sector, industry, date, action, the rating, the price target, the upside that the analyst suggests, and much, much more. For example, you could find ratings for technology companies. You could find ratings for stocks priced under $5, or you could find the latest ratings from any particular analyst. For example, let's look up ratings for Netflix. After performing a search, you'll see a table of all of the ratings that we tracked for the company. You can click the details link on the left side of the screen for more information about any particular rating. For this particular rating, we can see that Piper Jaffray raised their price target on Netflix from $360 to $487, and they currently have a neutral rating on the stock. You can see an excerpt from the research note to see the broker's analysis, and you can also see links to articles from other websites that mention the rating for more information. At the bottom, you can see a little bit of information about Netflix, as well as other recent ratings and more ratings from Piper Jaffray. Let's take a look at RatingsDB Live, which allows you to view a feed of ratings, earnings, dividends, insider trades, and headlines as they come in throughout the day. Currently, I'm receiving live updates for stocks on my watch list, so upgrades and downgrades and other news items for my stocks will appear automatically on this page as they're tracked by MarketBeat throughout the day. You can get updates for all stocks that trade on a particular market, or you can choose to only get updates for stocks that you're currently following on your watch list. Let's move on to the brokerage rankings page, which provides a 7-day, 30-day, and 12-month ROI for the recommendations from each brokerage, as well as the accuracy of their 12-month price targets. For example, if you purchased all of the stocks that Summer Street recommended 12 months ago, held them for a year, and sold them, you'd have gotten an ROI of 174.4%. The average variance column shows how accurate each brokerage's price targets are. The brokerages with lower average variances offer more accurate price targets than those with higher average variances. You can also rank brokerages that cover a particular sector and look at the results over different periods of time as well. There are two other search tools in RatingsDB I wanted to make you aware of. EarningsDB allows you to search through a database of earnings results. For example, here's the recent history of the earnings for Netflix. You can see the analyst estimate, what they actually did, as well as revenue data. If available, there will be a link to the conference call for the company's earnings, as well as a link to the actual earnings report. The second search tool, InsidersDB, allows you to find insider trades that meet any criteria that you specify. Here's a history for Netflix, which shows which insiders have been buying and selling a company's stock, how much they sold, as well as a link to the actual SEC filing as well. Finally, let's look at the company profile section. This is a list of companies that receive the most coverage from analysts, and this is a list of companies that receive the highest average ratings from analysts. Let's take a look at Netflix's company profile page. As you can see, we have the current price for the stock, as well as recent analyst ratings, consensus data, earnings information, dividend information, insider trades, and some more basic information about the company, as well as recent headlines, what people are saying about the stock on social media, as well as a full customizable chart. So that's the basic functionality of RatingsDB. I believe we have the most comprehensive database of ratings that exist on the web. As of the date of this recording, we've tracked more than 250,000 stock ratings from more than 400 different brokerages. We believe that RatingsDB can provide you the insights from analysts that you need in order to be a successful trader, and we hope you'll find it as valuable as we do.